Alright guys, Adams County EAS here, along with Mrs. Clock. Go ahead, Mrs. Clock.
The time is 4:17 p.m. The temperature is 75.2 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 16:17. The temperature is 75.2 degrees Fahrenheit.
And today, this is my first video where I might be using some language in. So, we'll get started. Today we are just going to see what all of the alarm clock sounds sound like on each of my radios. Now, I've never heard the alarm clock on a Midland WR300 before, so that's what we're going to do. So it's 4:12 right now. We're going to set it for 4:14. And we need to make sure this switch right here is in the on position. So, I guess we just need to see when this will go off. I guess I should have did 4:13, but I'm not going to make it in time, so I don't know if I'll make it into 4:13 in time. Oh, here we go, a minute left. Here we go. We'll just go around in a circle. So next would be the alert works, and after that will be the 120, then the HH, then the 400, and that'll be done. Hopefully we get all of these radios to go off. Well, hopefully you get all of these radios in one video. So let's see what the alarm clock sounds like on the Midland WR300. Should go off any second now. Any second. Here we go. Oh. That's what it sounds like. Then I guess it goes into 3, so, or 2. Okay. That's what the alarm clock sounds like on the 300. And it goes 3. So, yeah. And I guess that's it. And that's what it does. So, that's what it does. So now, we'll pretty much just shut that off. Okay, now time for the AlertWorks EAR10. It's not as loud as I thought it would be. Let's try and make it go off 4:13. Here we go. Let's try it. Oops. Fail. Alright, now we're going to see what the alarm clock sounds like on the AlertWorks EAR10. Never heard an alarm clock on here before. So let's see if we can fit every radio in on what the alarm clock sounds like. Should go off any second here. There it goes. Oh. Okay. That's what it sounds like. And it goes like that. And now, there we go. That's what the alert work sounds like. Now, oh boy, this radio's gonna be fucking loud. I can tell you that. Yeah, there's probably gonna be some language in here. Wait, what time did it say? 4:18. Let's try 4:19. If it doesn't work, we'll try 4:20. Let's try to shoot for 4:19. Let's see if it works. Nope, it didn't. I have to set it for 4:20. Okay, there we go. Now it's set for 4:20. Here we go. The alarm clock should go off here shortly here. Probably all know what the alarm clock on the Midland WR120 sounds like. Should go off any second now. Oh! Holy crap! That is fucking loud. Oh! Oh, crap. That is so fucking loud, people. Oh, God. Alright, people. Time for the HH here. Don't know if you'll be able to see the alarm clock in here, so we're gonna unplug it. Take it with us onto the bed. Well, I should be able to fit every radio on here. Alright, let's go to the alarm clock function. Holy God, that fucking alarm is loud. Holy crap. Alright, what time did it say? 4:20. So let's set it for 4:22 because I don't think I'm going to make it to 4:21. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait. Yeah, we can. I do not know if we can make it to 4:21. Oh, yes, we are. Here we go. Should go in a second. Well. That's what the alarm clock sounds like on the Midland HH. Okay, now we are going to do the 400 now. That's what time we'll do. Okay, 4:22. So let's try and shoot for 4:24, maybe. Unless if it goes to 4:23 while we're at it. Yeah, let's set for alarm 1. Setting hour. Oh yeah. We will be waiting here. Yep, we will be waiting here. So, in order to actually make the alarm clock go off, see, it goes off in less than a minute now. In order to actually make it turn on, you see this alarm clock on and off? We need to push the alarm clock to the on position, so that way it actually goes off. I'm pretty sure the 400's alarm clock is pretty fucking loud, too. I can tell you that. So, I am just going to put on headphones, for that way I can protect my ears. Here we go. It should go off here in a second. Oh, yeah. I can tell it's going to be loud. Oh, God. Here we go. Any second. There it goes. Yeah. It's still loud. But it's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be. I guess I have to hit the snooze button. That is fucking loud, people. Jeez. I'm not gonna do alarm 2. That pretty much concludes all of my 400. Now, I'm just going to set it to go off. Oh. And let's make sure this thing right here, this right here, is set to the off position. So that way it doesn't it go off on me. And it should save. Holy crap. That is fucking loud, people. See, I told you I'm gonna use some language in here. Jeez. There's gonna be a couple videos tonight where I use it. But yep, that goddamn alarm's gone. Jeez. Okay. So now we've seen what the fucking 400 alarm sounds like. We've seen what the fucking HH... Oh wait, where's the fucking... Oh, there it is. The HH's alarm clock sounds like that. Sounds like the button beeps. The fucking 120's alarm is so fucking loud. The AlertWorks one, the AlertWorks alarm is not so fucking loud, but still is goddamn loud. And the 300's fucking alarm is not loud at all. It's literally as loud as the goddamn siren test. That's how fucking loud it is. So yeah. Anyway, there's extreme language here. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to see you in the next goddamn motherfucking video.